While dreaming about having your beautiful residence, a garden with sculpted hedges with well-maintained lawn aids to shape your house desires better. But beauty always comes with a price. This fun hobby can make you feel really tired sometimes. That's why you need a gas hedge trimmer. Knowing the best among them for your needs can help you save time, money, and a lot of your effort. We know maintaining a garden itself is hard. That's why the 10 Best Buy team made it easy for you to find the list of the best options available in the market right now. You can sit, relax, watch, and find what is best for you. Plunge into the video and for more information. The first one on our list, Salem Master 23cc TT HD340 hedge trimmer. This brand new cordless hedge trimmer with its 2-cycle engine and 22.5cc displacement provides you steady power for trimming and pruning your overgrown shrubs and bushes. It can produce a maximum speed of 7000 rpm to yield twice the results with half the effort. They are lightweight, easy to carry, and come with a toolkit. This is one of your good-to-go options for the lawn needs. Next, Cenex HT 4QLL 26.5cc gasoline hedge trimmer. This gas hedge trimmer is specifically designed for your home garden hedges. They are cheap and easy to carry because of their lightweight. It comes with a precision laser cut dual action blade that helps to cut through any heavy foliage. If you are the type of person who prioritizes performance other than considering buying any specific brands of hedge trimmer, then your easiest option available right now in the market is EasyG 23.6cc gas hedge trimmer. It comes with lightweight technology and an easy-to-use model that is perfect for homeowners. They also make less noise, helping you to do the job without disturbing others. This is a tool streamlined to help you trim and prune bushes and keep your garden beautiful. Our next option is a gas hedge trimmer that comes with professional-grade features for maximum performance. Extreme Power US 26cc gas-powered hedge trimmer. Although this trimmer weighs close to 16 pounds and is one of the heaviest on the list, it still is designed to give added comfort and reduce strain and fatigue. Besides, the less noise, zero-type grease fitting, and air filter cover come with easy maintenance, making it a worthy choice that fits all your hedge trimmer demands. We all are not big fans of the fatigue that comes with the hours of trimming. The vibrations can seriously make you hate the garden maintenance work. That's why you should give a try to the Poolin Pro PR2322 23cc gas-powered hedge trimmer. Its lightweight, anti-vibration technology, along with the rotating rear handle, helps you to have superior comfort and reduces fatigue. This low cost and the 2-year homeowner warranty make this a decent low-budget gas hedge trimmer option for home use. So, don't think twice! If you want to purchase a gas hedge for very long time performance, then you must do your researches on Tanaka TCH22 EVP2 21cc gas hedge trimmer. They are incredibly lightweight and one of the best in terms of ease of use and maneuverability. It is also one of the quietest hedge trimmers available in the market, which comes with best class performance, reliability and durability. Next one, Huosen 25cc gas-powered hedge trimmer. This unique gas hedge trimmer is at least $100 cheaper than the models already mentioned and can deliver matching performance. They come with high-quality steel blades that are stronger and sharper than any ordinary blade, and it lasts long. Besides, the wide safety guard features are designed to prevent any accidental operation, making it a safe gas hedge trimmer. Husqvarna 966-532302 122 HD45 gas hedge trimmer. With its low noise and lightweight gas-powered hedge trimmer, they are best for home use. It has been officially tested and recommended by the National Home Gardening Club with a 100% approval rating. It also comes with effective anti-vibration dampeners that absorb vibration, reducing the stress on the user's arms and hands, making it a perfect choice. From the wide variety of options available in the Echo, our best bet is the Echo HC20 in 21.2cc gas 2-stroke cycle hedge trimmer. In terms of performance, this gas hedge trimmer comes with a powerful 21.2cc professional grade 2-stroke engine and a 20-inch double-sided double reciprocating blade for superior cutting performance. This blade also has twice as many cutting edges as other hedge trimmers in the category to give you maximum productivity. It also comes with a chrome-plated cylinder for increased engine life and zero-type grease fitting on the gear case for easy maintenance. So, if you're looking for an entry-level professional grade hedge trimmer, there is no doubt that this is the one that is going to meet all your expectations. Now, our best choice considering the performance, features and overall quality. This is one of our personal favorites. Last but not the least, Husqvarna 122 HD60 21.7cc gas hedge trimmer. While compared with other gas hedge trimmers in the market, they are unbelievably quiet. Let's thank its low noise technology. This feature makes it fit for use in residential areas. It also has a carburetor air purge system that removes air from the carburetor. With its features, Smart Start technology for speedier startups comes in a special design with a rear handle that can be put in multiple positions to facilitate cutting the sides and top of hedges. Further, the effective anti-vibration dampeners absorb vibration, reducing the stress on the user's arms and hands. So, we have come to the end of our review, and we believe our video has helped you to find what you were looking for. For easy access to all the products mentioned in the video, we have added the list of the products in the description box. Please do not forget to check the list to get the products at the best price available. And also, if you liked our video, press the bell icon, like the video and keep watching for 10 Best Buy for more contents.